today I will teach you how to upload your TikTok video from your computer to the TikTok account that you are managing or you created, either for your personal or business account. That's okay. This video is general for every account that you manage. So let's get started. Okay, at the top right corner you will see upload. Click that upload button. Now you can see on the screen you will see select file. Now when you click this red button here, it will direct you to your desktop or your computer. Now let's click this one. Okay, select the file. So my file is here already. Open. Now from there you have also other options, like if you want your video to be private or to be like only your friends will view this video, you will also have options here, your friends and private. So for my content, my video, I would like to leave it as public. Now you have other options, like you can schedule your video for the next day or next week, or up to you. And you can also run copyright check. So if you want to run copyright check, you have to click this button here, this button. When it's already green, you will see check in progress. This will take about 1 minute, so just wait. Now this content is claimed because of the sound, so I will just upload it for the sake of this tutorial. So when you are already ready and wants to upload, you just click here, post. Okay, now you have to put your title as well. So my title of my video is how to reach Instagram account. Now that's all for me, and I would like to include some of the hashtags. So just click here and then just put anything you want. Sometimes if you want to, if you cannot think of any hashtags, you can also search on Google, like the trending hashtags on TikTok. You can search on Google and Google will show you the best hashtags that are trending at the moment. So for me, I'll just choose anything here for the sake of the tutorial. So yeah, TikTok India, and I would like to go for another one. So TikTok video, TikTok viral, and last one, TikTok video. Yep, this one. Okay, now there's another option here. If you want to mention someone in your video, you will click this add button, and then you will see the friends list will go down there. You will choose any of these, and one thing good about this is that when you mention their name on your content, you are inviting them to view your content. So every time they view, you also have your number of your views also counted. So it's also one good thing about this. So you can mention one of these, but for now I will leave it as it is. But this is also a good idea. You can also have it on your TikTok video, like you posted, and if you want to invite them, you just click this one, and then you can choose any one of your friends or your followers here. Okay, so now my content is already prepared, and then click post. Okay, now there, if you want to upload another one, you will just click this one, or if you don't want, just click view visit profile, and then it will direct you to your profile, and then you will see content that you uploaded. So here, this is the video that we uploaded, but I will delete this later because it's copyright claim, so I don't want my account to be restricted. So I will delete this content later, but for the sake of this tutorial, I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel.